Hey everybody, happy Moundville Monday. Today I'm down at Moundville Archaeological Park's maintenance shop visiting my friends down here, so come join me. Hey everybody, I brought a friend with me today. So this is John Newman. John, can you tell us what you do at the park?
I am the maintenance supervisor of the park, and we take care of the place.
How long does it typically take you to cut the grass, and what do you use?
Well, we use a variety of things. We use several tractors. We've got some special equipment to cut the mounds, a boom mower, and a special machine that's got 8 wheels, low center of gravity that will get on top of the sides of the slopes and cut.
So how many acres are there, do you typically have to cut?
Almost 200 acres of grass and mounds to cut. And it typically takes us, in good weather, about 2 weeks to get to start to finish. Technology has caught up to where we can get a remote mower on tracks. We've had them demoed out here on Mound Day, and they work really well. They're safe. Somebody's not on the machine, and probably the cost of expense is very low.
So a remote mower would be one of your dream pieces of equipment?
Absolutely.
Carlton does a good job, because I think I could do that.
Carlton does an amazing job. He took to that thing really quick. It's not an easy machine to run either.
It doesn't seem like it. I can't run any power equipment.
But he makes it look easy.
He does.
He really does.
Hey, Carlton.
Hey.
What you working on today?
Well, we pressure washing today.
You are? Are we painting new lines or something?
Yeah, we're going to pressure wash the square out of them. We're going to repaint all these lines.
Tell us one thing that you like about working here at the park.
Making it look good.
That's wonderful, actually. What are you up to, Mr. Wayne?
We're installing a section of fence at the conference center.
Oh, cool.
So we'll make it look nicer and safer for people to picnic over there and not walk down to the river where the rocks are.
So what kind of things do you do inside of the museum, maintenance-wise?
Well, we take care of the fiber optics. There's many bulbs that we replace on a regular basis. We take care of the artifacts, make sure everything's running smoothly inside the museum.
So we also have a campground here. What are some of the things that you have to do to upkeep the campground?
We're proud of it. It's a beautiful, quiet spot other than the trains. You've got one of the best views of any campground I've ever been to. We've got a really nice, clean, very spacious shower house. We're pretty proud of it, but nothing really special, just keeping it clean and ready for our visitors.
Another thing that our wonderful groundspeople help us do is help us maintain our Three Sisters garden. Currently we're starting our planting process, so John's tilling the soil for us. So would you say festival is your busiest maintenance time?
Absolutely. It takes us about 2 weeks to set up and about 2 weeks to tear down.
You guys do great. So what is your favorite thing about the park and about working here?
Everything. I come in every day and get to see this and take care of it. So I just have to say everything.
Just wanted to give a huge shout out to our maintenance crew. Thank you guys so much for all that you're doing for the park. We appreciate you.
If you're interested in donating to the museums, please do so at give.ua.edu/museums.